In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check both the RAM and storage on your Dell laptop. Whether you're planning to upgrade your system, troubleshooting performance issues, or you simply want to know your laptop's specifications, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know clearly and easily. First, turn on your Dell laptop and make sure you're on the Windows desktop. Once you're there, move down to the search box on the taskbar and type System Information. As soon as the results appear, look for the first option in the list and click on it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because this window contains very important information about your device. Next, once the System Information window opens, you'll see a detailed overview of your laptop. Here, you can find your installed RAM, processor details, system type, and other useful specifications. Scroll slightly if needed and look for the RAM section to see exactly how much memory your Dell laptop has. This method is quick and very reliable. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Windows is fully loaded, avoid closing the window too fast, and double-check the values shown on the screen. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent confusion later on. There's also another easy way to check your RAM and storage. Simply right-click on this PC or computer icon on your desktop or in File Explorer, then choose Properties from the menu at the bottom. After that, a window will appear showing your system details, including installed RAM and other important information. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to check the RAM and storage on your Dell laptop easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?